Okay, today we're gonna fix a03s screen. First, we take out the SIM card. Second, we're gonna remove the frame from the screen. You can use your nail, or you can use a plier, something like this. A tool, pry tools. I think this one, it doesn't have to heat the back. But you should be careful, there is like a button here. You don't want to break it. The power button is connected to the motherboard from this. All right. Like I told you, be careful here. There is a button. You don't want to break it. You see, this is the button. So you take it like this, and now you remove all the screws. So after we remove all the screws, we remove the tray, we remove the power button, we remove the battery. Now we remove the bottom tray. It has about 6 screws also. Okay, after we're done, we try to remove the camera. And then we see if there is like screws on the motherboard. Doesn't look like there is screws. If there is no screws, we try to remove it from here. Okay, that's it. You remove the cable, then we're gonna remove this part. We remove this one too. Okay. I think this one is glued a little bit, so it will go out. Okay, next we're gonna remove the battery and those cable, the power buttons, and so now we're gonna heat. We heat it very well, and here we have our new screen. Okay, so now we start transferring stuff. We wait while you're heating. Alright, after we waited a little bit, now we remove the speaker. And while we remove it, we just put it straight here. Then, yeah. Then we're gonna remove this one, the vibrator. And we put it here. Okay, next we're gonna heat more. That wasn't enough heat. We're gonna wait. Hey, my friend, how are you? Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thanks.
You're good. You're welcome.
Bye. I just got my delivery. Was a FedEx package. Okay, we're gonna remove the battery. I usually like to use this one because I can go under the battery. Okay, you need to open it a little bit. Alright, so here we go. Yeah, too much glue. Okay, I'm gonna remove it slowly. Okay, wow, that's a lot of glue for a a03 battery. Why did I do this? I don't know. Now we still need to remove the power bottom. I need to heat a lot. I don't want to break them. Right. Okay, after we heat them, I like to remove them and start with this one. It's dangerous. If you don't know how to use it, don't use it. Don't use it. Okay, after you heat, of course. Okay, we got under it at least. I'm keeping heating, sorry guys if you can't see much. Okay, after you get under it, you just do the pry a little bit. You need to heat more. Fine. Okay, we got it. Ah, my God. All right, here we go. I don't know. Okay, now we have to remove this one. All right, same process. You go under it. You need to heat. All right. Now we need this black strip around. All right. Okay, we're gonna try to put it the same way it was, if we can. This one was here, this was here, and this was here. That's more than enough. Okay. Next, let me put back this one. Okay. The stupid design, honestly. Could be make it a connector, but I wanna make it a cheap so they can make profit and sell it very cheap, this phone. How much is this phone? Brand new, 150 bucks. Probably cost them like $5. Okay, after we put everything, now let's put back the motherboard. Okay, motherboard is in, front camera is in, put the charging port is in, the antenna cable also in. Now we need to put the battery. Yeah, and the screen is in. Now the charging cable, always sub is here, main is here. Okay, and battery is in, everything is in. This one is nice. Okay. We forgot this one. No. I think we have to do it this way, so it can touch this, so people can hear. Okay, now we have to put this one. Let's see, the cable is already good. This is good too. Okay, it's good. It looks good for me. Now we need to put the fingerprint and the power. I'm gonna make sure this one go in place. Okay, now it's in place. Okay. Okay, now we can put this one. Let's put couple screws so we can try it out. Put it this side so the power bottom will hit the ground. All right, that's good. One more from here. Okay. So I'm gonna try to turn it on with this one. I hear something. Boom. It looks like it's working. Okay, while we're waiting the slow phone to turn on, we can start putting some screws back. Okay, metro, show metro now. Okay, touch is working, everything is working, looks good. Okay, that's it. Just put back the screws and close it. Thanks for watching. Bye.